Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update schema validation in Dataform workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To update schema validation in Dataform workflows, begin by accessing your Dataform project. Open the project's main directory. Locate the configuration file, typically named dataform.json or schema.json. Open the file in your preferred code editor. Identify the section related to schema validation. Review the existing validation rules documented in that section. Determine which rules need to be updated or added based on your data requirements. If you need to create a new validation rule, define the necessary criteria for validation. Ensure that your new rule adheres to the syntax required by Dataform. Save your changes after making the necessary updates. Next, navigate to the specific workflow file that requires the updated schema validation. Open that workflow file to incorporate the new validation rules. Implement the updated schema by referencing the modified configuration file. Test the workflow to ensure that the new validation rules are functioning as expected. Monitor any errors or warnings during the testing process. Make adjustments to the rules if needed based on the test results. Once satisfied, commit your changes to the version control system. Push your changes to the remote repository to finalize the update. Finally, review the documentation for any additional best practices regarding schema validation updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.